How to find contact information and maintain accurate data for credit card collections. Welcome to our video on how to find contact information for credit card collections using People Search tools. This is crucial for maintaining accurate data, ensuring you reach the right person and facilitate efficient debt collection. People Search tools are invaluable in the debt recovery process. They help verify existing information and discover new details such as phone numbers, addresses, emails, and even background checks, which are essential for recovering debts effectively. Accurate and current information is key in credit card debt recovery. It allows creditors to communicate effectively with debtors, assess their financial situations accurately, and take appropriate actions to recover debts while adhering to legal standards. One of the first steps in debt collection is verifying the debtor's identity. This ensures that the correct individual is being pursued for the repayment, avoiding potential legal complications from mistaken identities. Next, it's vital to have reliable contact information. Correct mailing addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses are necessary to inform debtors about their debts and discuss repayment options. Tracking payment history is crucial as well. Accurate records of payments, missed payments, and payment amounts are vital in assessing a debtor's willingness and ability to repay their debt. In some situations, legal action might be necessary to recover debts. Accurate information about the debtor's location, employment, and financial status is essential for legal proceedings such as wage garnishment or asset seizure. Moreover, compliance with laws and regulations is critical in debt recovery. Keeping information up to date helps creditors avoid legal issues and fines associated with non-compliance. People Search tools aid in locating debtors and gathering essential contact information, ensuring compliance with legal norms and facilitating smoother communication. These tools also perform reverse lookups to confirm the accuracy and currency of contact information, which is crucial as debtors often change their contact details. The efficiency of People Search tools ensures that communications are directed promptly to the right individuals, enhancing the speed and success of debt recovery efforts. Advanced background checks are another feature, crucial for confirming identities and avoiding legal or ethical issues by reducing the risk of pursuing the wrong person. Detailed background checks can include public records, social profiles, and more, providing insights into a debtor's financial situation and potential resources for repayment. Access to criminal records through these tools can be vital, especially if fraud or criminal activity is suspected in relation to the debt. Property records searches can reveal assets owned by the debtors that may satisfy the debt, providing important clues for debt recovery strategies. Employment searches offer insights into a debtor's job status, which is beneficial for strategies like wage garnishment, ensuring successful debt recovery efforts. Finally, using a People Search tool like Searchbug allows access to the latest contact information, pulled from a variety of reliable sources, ensuring the accuracy and relevance of the data collected. Don't let unpaid credit card debts accumulate. Use People Search tools to find the necessary contact information and start the debt recovery process promptly. Get in touch with your debtors today and set the stage for successful repayment. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.